Yeah. So, sorry about that. During the recording. So yeah, get everything together. Do it like you're staying at a major hotel. Think of what the guests would want, what you would want on your RV trip. Try to put it in the RV. Make a list of it. Get it all together. Even put like marshmallow sticks so people could roast marshmallows in there. I put a barbecue kit on the outside, so chairs outside. I mean, just try to go through, and they have lists if you Google it, like best things in your RV. Like if you go to rvrentalconnection.com, they have a list of all the best stuff to have in your RV. You can get lists from there for ideas. And just basically, whatever you think you would like: cups, bowls, spoons, forks, knives, Tupperware, plastic bags, saran wrap, Reynolds wrap, and a lot of that stuff you can get at the dollar store. You can even get, I got some those little wipes, the cleaning wipes. You can get the cleaning wipes at the dollar store. I mean, you don't need to spend a fortune, and you just budget $30. So what I do is I charge a setup fee of $100, and then I charge a cleaning fee of, depending upon the size of the RV, $250 to $350. And that way it covers the cost of professional cleaning by the maid, covers the professional cost of a professional car wash, it covers my guy to go take it out and stuff. So even if you're trying to do it on your own, you could lower those costs and do that stuff on your own, but it's a lot of work, so you got to be prepared. I mean, hopefully you don't have another job. Maybe if you're retired, you have the time to do it, but if you have a good RV and it's priced well, from what I've seen, I mean, people said mine wouldn't rent in the winter because it's a family one, but I mean, it's been booked pretty much solid except for like 2.5 weeks in October, and then this December I already have the last like 10 days booked out, but we'll see how December ends up with. This is a slower time in Vegas, but make sure it has everything. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll put in the description below our phone number. If you have any questions, you can call me or my team, and we'll do our best to help you out. And then depending upon where you live, if you live in the Las Vegas area or you want to bring your RV to Vegas, we can rent it out for you. We do the whole process for you. We split the profit with you. And that's how we do it, but you don't have to do anything. You don't even have to manage the managers. We take care of all that stuff for you, and it can be very lucrative, especially if you're retired and you don't have a huge income in retirement. I mean, you could buy one of these things for $5,000 down, $6,000 down, or even buy one off of RV Trader from somebody and just take over their payments, and then boom, you're making $8,000 to $20,000 a year. Even splitting the money with us, and it could possibly be more, so it just depends on how good we get at it. But you're more than welcome to do that with our company. If not, I'm going to keep posting videos on how you can do it yourself, and hopefully it helps you. And please post anything below or subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or issues, I got about 20 different more topics I'm going to be doing videos on, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns, or if there's anything you want to do videos on. All right, God bless, take care, and we'll hear from you soon.